Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check for updates in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab, and then on the left side, you want to select the Account option on the left panel. And then on the right side, next to Office Updates, you want to select the Update Options box and select where it says Update Now. Check for and apply updates for Office. Go ahead and select that. And if you're all up to date, it should come back with you're all up to date. The latest version of Office is installed on your computer. And if you weren't, it would go ahead and actually proceed to download and install the updates manually. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.